The people you work with are vital for the success of your business. Happy, healthy workers are more productive, more often in work. Let's think about the UK workforce and its health. Stress, long-term conditions, back pain, coughs and colds, they all affect performance and attendance. 137 million working days are lost every year. Annual cost to the economy, £100 billion. 18 million days are lost each year to 3 common causes. So what can we do about that? We can reduce the number of days people take off work. And we can get them back to work quicker when they do need time off. The Sound Doctor is the UK's leading provider of film and audio content designed specifically to help people take control of their health and well-being. And it works. Evaluations show people change their behaviour, visit their doctor less often, spend less time in hospital. The Sound Doctor is exceptionally popular with users. So how can we help you? We can provide films to get key information across. Audio podcasts are flexible and user-friendly. Animations help to illustrate difficult messages. So, if you want to manage change, reduce stress in the workplace, improve relationships, we can help. Keeping people away from the doctor, out of hospital and in work. Tailoring information to your business needs. Effective interventions can make a huge difference to outcomes. Healthy staff are happier and more productive. Take them with you on your journey to success.